Use a silk sari for this method. Tuck the end of the sari, non-pallu end on the right side, and bring it around the waist to the back side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Bring it towards the front again and tuck it on the sides twice, leaving some length of fabric in between as shown. Bring the sari around the waist again towards the front. Now pleat the front end, pallu end, making as many pleats as needed. Now place the pleated pallu on the left shoulder and secure with a pin. Now make pleats with the fabric left in between the waist. Adjust the pleats in the front and tuck it in as per the flow needed for the person's height. Adjust the fabric neatly near the waist and then tuck it in the center. Use the traditional Kerala sari for this. Tuck the end of the sari, non-pallu end, on the right side and bring it around the waist to the back side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Bring it towards the front again and tuck it on the sides twice, leaving some length of fabric in between as shown. Now make pleats in the front and tuck it in the center. Now take the pallu and drape it around the person over the chest and back once, fully keeping the hands outside. Now with the remaining shorter pallu fabric, make 3 to 4 pleats. And tuck it in the chest area. This is Kerala style draping. Use a chiffon or georgette sari with borders for this method. Tuck the end of the sari, non-pallu end, on the right side and bring it around the waist to the back side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Bring it towards the front again and hold the pallu towards the left and with the fabric in the middle. Make pleats in the front and tuck it a little towards the right side, adjusting the pleats in the center. Drape the sari around the person along the waist and tuck the fabric neatly all through. While in the front side, bring the sari a little high such that it drapes one layer. Showing 2 rows of borders, bring the sari around the person again. Tucking the fabric in the same length. Now in the front, make smaller pleats and keep the length shorter for the pallu and pin it over the left shoulder.